Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, June 16, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, June 16, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong June 16, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later' for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, June 16, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for June 16, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, June 16, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.